What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I have a simple quick installation to do and that is replacing the start stop button on the car for a red one. I wanted to change that, change the interior a bit, add a little small thing that'll change the car just a bit. Let me show you how to do this. It's pretty easy. All you're gonna need is like a couple of trim removal pieces, the button of course, and about 5 minutes or less, and let's get it started. The link for this product will be in the description below if you guys are interested. Here is the button. As you can see, start stop engine. It's red, obviously. That's what we're going for. There you go. We're going to need to remove this. We'll just pull it out basically and remove the centerpiece for this red one. What you're going to need to do is try to find a place where you can insert one of your trim remover pieces, and then with the other one try to just pull it out, and there you go. See how it comes out. You're going to need to disconnect it, of course. I have a couple of clips here that you're going to need to unhook so this piece can come out, and you can pull this out. Once you got all the clips unhooked, this is how it'll look. You're gonna need to like push this out. It has two other pins right there that to release the button. Just be careful when you're removing these clips right here. Make sure you have like a trim remover tool or something that won't damage or break the clips, because otherwise this is like it's gonna be a loose part, and you're gonna hear some rattles. Once it comes out, this is what you're gonna get out. It has this little two prongs here that you're gonna need to press to the center. You're probably gonna need two small picks so you can get these hooks off and then push down on it. And then after all that, all you have to do is pretty much install the new red button on it, and here we go. And that's all to it. You got the red button, and now put it all back together. Put every piece that you removed. I'll show you. Clips in. Make sure everything's clipped in there. Hopefully you don't break any clips. Connect it. And push it back in there. And there it is. It's that simple. Won't take about 5 minutes. Now let's start the car. It's not a huge mod, but it does stand out more as it matches with the red trim that I have on the car. Oh, I do want to know if it lights up at night like the other one does. So here it is. So as you can see, it does light up still. It looks OEM actually in the dark. Well, from the camera's point of view. So yeah, there it is, guys. It's a quick install. Like I said, it won't take about 5 minutes. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you're interested in the product, I will put a link in the description below so you guys can purchase it for yourself. If you do buy it, that does help me with the channel. I do get a little commission for it. So yeah, hope you guys do. Share it with some friends, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.
It might take some time, but I'll be alright. I'm moving on.